Michael was an imaginative child who often resorted to lies. His fabricated stories brought a fleeting thrill but soon morphed into a web of problems. One Monday morning, Michael lied to his teacher, Miss Clark, claiming his dog ate his homework. She was skeptical but gave him another day to complete it. The next day, when he still didn't complete his homework, he had to face detention. This was only the beginning. In another instance, during recess, Michael told his classmates that his father was a secret agent. Initially odd, his friends soon noticed inconsistencies in his tales. Felix, one of his best friends, asked probing questions. When Michael's answers didn't add up, Felix stopped trusting him, leaving Michael feeling isolated. His friends started avoiding him, leaving him to eat lunch alone. Then came the most serious event. Michael had been warned repeatedly about not lying to his parents. One evening, he told his mother that he had finished his homework so he could play video games. But when his grades started falling, his parents were called to the school. During the meeting, the truth surfaced. Michael had been untruthful not only about his homework, but also about spending hours playing games. His parents were deeply disappointed, and they grounded him for a month. The turning point came when Michael's cousin Emily came to visit. Emily, a few years older and wise beyond her years, saw through Michael's lies. She took him aside and shared her own story of how lying had almost ruined her relationship with her friends and family. Her heartfelt words struck a chord with Michael. That night, Michael lay awake reflecting on Emily's words. He realized his lies had not only caused him trouble, but had distanced him from people he cared about. The fleeting thrill wasn't worth the lasting consequences. The next morning at school, Michael approached Ms. Clark to confess his earlier lies about his homework. She listened and appreciated his honesty. It wasn't easy, but slowly Michael started rebuilding trust with his friends, starting with a heartfelt apology to Felix. Months passed, and Michael discovered that honesty made his life simpler. His grades improved, and he no longer felt the weight of maintaining lies. His parents, seeing his sincere efforts, lifted his grounding earlier than planned. Michael learned that honesty, though challenging at times, brought peace and genuine connections.